Hello. Today, as part of Japanese food experiences for travelers, we'll be introducing a range of Japanese dishes, from classic staples to unexpected options. For anyone visiting Japan, we'll highlight must-try Japanese foods that showcase its unique culinary appeal. By watching this video, you'll gain a deeper understanding of Japanese food culture, ensuring you enjoy your next visit even more. Let's dive right in with some classic Japanese cuisine. 1. Introduction to classic Japanese dishes. Sushi. The difference between overseas image and the authentic version. First up is sushi, perhaps the most iconic Japanese dish. Although it's immensely popular abroad and widely recognized, authentic sushi in Japan is a whole different experience. Differences between overseas and authentic sushi. When you think of sushi abroad, it often includes creative types like rolls and California rolls. However, in Japan, simple nigiri sushi is the standard, with a focus on fresh ingredients that highlight its pure flavors. Etiquette and enjoyment at a sushi restaurant. In Japanese sushi restaurants, there are specific rules regarding soy sauce application and how to use chopsticks. For example, applying soy sauce on the fish side rather than the rice prevents it from falling apart and enhances the flavor. At counter seats, sushi chefs prepare each piece right before you, letting you enjoy sushi at peak freshness. While sushi is often adapted abroad, you should definitely try the authentic, refined taste of Japanese sushi. Tempura. The secret of its crisp batter. Next is tempura, a dish that has evolved uniquely in Japan, characterized by its crisp batter that brings out the flavors of the ingredients. Ingredient quality and frying technique. Tempura uses fresh seafood and vegetables, fried at high temperatures for a short time. This method seals in the moisture, creating a crispy texture. Since the chef prepares tempura right before serving, it fully captures the ingredients' natural flavors. Types of tempura and recommended ways to enjoy it. Common tempura items include shrimp, whiting, and shiitake mushrooms, usually enjoyed simply with salt or a dipping sauce. Pairing it with various salts, like matcha salt, enhances its flavor even more. Although tempura may seem simple, it offers a deep taste, embodying the allure of Japanese cuisine. Be sure to try authentic tempura in Japan. Ramen. Japan's soul food with a wide range of varieties. Lastly, let's talk about ramen, which is highly popular with travelers. Japanese ramen varies by region and restaurant, offering endless options to explore. Ramen styles from different regions. Japan has distinctive regional ramen styles. For example, Tokyo's soy sauce ramen is light, while Hakata's tonkatsu ramen is rich and creamy. There's also Sapporo's miso-based ramen and Hakodate's salt-based ramen, each delivering a unique flavor based on location. This concludes our introduction to classic Japanese dishes. Next, we'll talk about some surprising Japanese food experiences. 2. Unique Japanese dishes to try. Natto. A fermented food worth trying. Natto is one of Japan's distinctive fermented foods, known for being a challenging yet intriguing choice for many international visitors. So, what makes it so unique, and how can one enjoy it? To start, let's delve into the characteristics and history of natto. Made by fermenting steamed soybeans with natto bacteria, natto is famous for its sticky texture and strong aroma. Its origins trace back around 1,000 years, making it a symbol of Japan's traditional fermentation culture. Through fermentation, natto becomes rich in amino acids, making it a nutritious addition to one's diet. For example, natto is packed with vitamin K, protein, and dietary fiber, and is especially beneficial for bone and digestive health. In Japan, it's a breakfast staple, typically enjoyed over rice or mixed with raw egg and soy sauce. For many Japanese, the taste is nostalgic and comforting. Foreigners' reactions to trying natto vary widely. Many first-timers comment on the strong smell or unusual texture, but there are also those who appreciate its healthy taste. As natto's health benefits gain recognition, it is becoming popular among health-conscious individuals worldwide. Natto is a bold yet rewarding fermented food to try, offering a unique way to experience Japan's traditional culinary culture. Raw egg over rice. A simple Japanese delight. The next dish, raw egg over rice, or tamago cake gohan (TKG), is a simple yet exquisite Japanese specialty. For Japanese people, this dish is highly familiar. It involves cracking a raw egg over hot rice, adding a few drops of soy sauce, and mixing it to create a harmonious blend of smooth egg and warm rice. Though simple, it offers a deep, comforting taste. Japan's eggs are subject to strict hygiene standards, allowing them to be safely enjoyed raw. This safety factor enhances the appeal of TKG as a uniquely Japanese dish. Many travelers who try TKG are surprised by its creamy texture and fresh flavor, despite its understated appearance and aroma. Recently, there have been creative twists on TKG to suit different tastes, such as adding chopped green onions, seaweed, or cheese as toppings. While enjoying Japan's simple food culture, you can also make your own original version of TKG. This dish exemplifies Japan's safe and delicious egg culture and is a must-try for visitors. Oden, a winter staple with unique ingredients. Finally, let's look at oden, a Japanese hot pot popular in winter, enjoyed in homes and pubs across the country. Oden involves simmering various ingredients in a broth to draw out their flavors. Common ingredients include daikon radish, fish cakes, konjac, and boiled eggs, each offering its unique taste when steeped in the broth. The tenderness of daikon and the savory flavor absorbed by eggs are beloved winter flavors in Japan. One appealing aspect of oden is the variety of regional ingredients used. For instance, chikuafu is common in Kanto, while beef tendons are preferred in Kansai, showcasing the rich diversity of Japanese food culture. Oden is also widely available at convenience stores during winter, making it a convenient and popular choice for tourists. Many visitors are initially curious yet unsure about oden's taste but often express surprise at its simple yet profound flavor after trying it. With its hearty ingredients and gentle taste, oden is a perfect way to experience Japan's warm, home-style culinary culture. This comforting winter dish is highly recommended for travelers seeking a warming meal during their stay. 3. A fusion of Japanese and Western dishes. Curry rice. The popularity of Japanese-style curry. Curry rice, which has uniquely evolved in Japan, is widely loved by Japanese people as a taste of home. Japanese curry is distinct from Indian or Western varieties, characterized by a thick, balanced sweetness and spiciness. One of the main reasons for the popularity of Japanese curry is its unique flavor and the variety of toppings available. The rich curry roux, made with a base of vegetables and meat, can be topped with cheese, katsu breaded and fried cutlets, boiled eggs, and even pickled vegetables fukujinzuke, allowing diners to personalize their meals. For instance, Japan has a variety of regional local curries, each with its own flair, such as Hokkaido's soup curry and Osaka's curry udon. Numerous curry specialty shops also offer a range of styles, from casual chain restaurant options to authentic curries crafted with carefully selected spices. Japanese curry, unlike the spice-rich curries of India, has a thick roux that clings to rice, making it a satisfying dish often referred to as Japan's soul food. Omurice, the perfect harmony of fluffy eggs and ketchup rice. Next is omurice, a uniquely Japanese Western-style dish. Omurice is known for its fluffy egg omelette that envelops ketchup-flavored rice, making it a popular choice as a homemade meal. This simple yet well-balanced dish is beloved by people of all ages, from children to adults. Omurice has gained popularity among foreigners due to its accessibility and versatility. Common ingredients in ketchup rice include chicken, onions, and bell peppers, but variations with tomato sauce or white sauce have recently emerged. Omurice can be served as a fluffy omelette on top of the rice or wrapped in a thin egg layer, offering different textures and flavors. Many cafes and restaurants specialize in omurice, with the fluffy and runny omurice being particularly famous at well-known establishments. The creamy, half-cooked egg that drapes over the ketchup rice is a distinctive Japanese take that has attracted fans from around the world. Pancakes and sweets. The uniquely Japanese fluffy texture. Finally, let's explore the Japanese-style pancake, which has developed a unique fluffy texture over time. Japanese pancakes are airy, almost cloud-like, setting them apart from their Western counterparts. Japanese pancakes have gained attention from tourists thanks to their light, fluffy texture. The most popular type is the soufflé pancake, known for its airy texture and moist flavor. Unlike typical pancakes, Japanese pancakes are thicker and often topped with syrup, whipped cream, or fruits, making them very photogenic. For example, cities like Tokyo and Osaka are home to many pancake cafes, with some stores drawing long lines of eager customers. For sweet-toothed tourists, Japanese pancakes, with their refined sweetness, offer a new and delightful dessert experience. In this way, Western-style Japanese dishes offer a fresh perspective on Japanese culture, distinct from traditional Japanese cuisine. 4. Experience Japanese culture through izakaya menus. Yakitori, a variety of parts and ways to enjoy. The first dish we'd like to introduce is yakitori, a must-try staple in Japanese izakayas. Yakitori is a simple yet delicious dish where chicken pieces are skewered, seasoned with either salt or sauce, and grilled over charcoal. This dish is particularly popular among foreigners, as it allows diners to savor different textures and flavors depending on the part of the chicken used. For example, momo thigh meat is tender, juicy, and satisfying, while sunejimo gizzard has a unique, crunchy texture. Liver, though with a slight taste that may seem unusual to some, is highly nutritious and a popular option in Japanese izakayas. Yakitori is typically seasoned in one of two ways, with salt or tare, a savory sweet sauce, each enhancing the taste of the grilled meat in its own way. Salt brings out the natural flavor of the meat, while tare adds a richer, slightly sweet flavor. Many yakitori specialty shops are accessible for foreigners, with English menus or English-speaking staff increasingly available. Choosing your preferred chicken part and seasoning salt or tare is part of the fun. Making yakitori an iconic dish to experience the charm of Japanese izakaya culture. Be sure to give it a try. Takoyaki, a popular festival and izakaya snack. Next up is takoyaki, a beloved item in izakayas and festival food stalls. Takoyaki is a distinctly Japanese snack made by cooking batter with pieces of octopus in small, round molds. For Japanese people, the flavor often brings back memories of childhood. The preparation of takoyaki is fascinating, as cooks skillfully flip the batter in specialized pans to create perfectly round shapes. Watching this process is enjoyable in itself, adding to the charm of takoyaki specialty stores. Typically, takoyaki is topped with bonito flakes, green seaweed flakes, and mayonnaise, creating a perfect balance of soft and fluffy insides with a crispy outside. There are also places where you can make takoyaki yourself, making it a fun activity to enjoy with friends or family. As one of Japan's iconic street foods, takoyaki is a must-try, so go ahead and give it a shot. Edamame and hiyayako, classic izakaya appetizers. Lastly, we introduce edamame and hiyayako, two classic izakaya appetizers. Edamame, or boiled young soybeans, is a simple yet beloved snack in Japan, often enjoyed alongside a cold beer. The lightly salted edamame is addictive, making it a perfect complement to beer. On the other hand, hiyayako is a chilled tofu dish served with toppings like ginger, green onions, and bonito flakes, with a splash of soy sauce. Refreshing and smooth, it's especially popular in the summer. Made from soybeans, a staple ingredient in Japan, hiyayako is also valued for its health benefits. These simple, traditional appetizers represent the casual, accessible enjoyment that defines Japanese izakaya culture. Edamame and hiyayako reflect the spirit of omotenashi, or Japanese hospitality, making them must-try items to fully appreciate the izakaya experience. 5. Recommended ways to enjoy Japanese cuisine for viewers. Regional Japanese dishes to try at least once. First, Japan has regional specialties unique to each area, featuring distinct ingredients and cooking methods that are truly fascinating. Trying local dishes at your travel destination provides an opportunity to deeply understand the culture and lifestyle of that area. For instance, in Hokkaido, there's a dish called jingisuken, which is made with lamb. It's cooked on a special iron grill called a jingisuken pan, and the flavor of the meat blends beautifully with the sweetness of the vegetables. In Aichi Prefecture, miso katsu is famous, featuring a sauce made with slightly sweet hacho miso. Other examples include Hiroshima's okonomiyaki, Kagawa's sanuki udon, and Kyushu's tori-ten tempura-style chicken, which are unique to their respective regions and offer flavors you can only experience there. Through these local dishes, you can enjoy the deep culture and traditions of the land, something beyond just visiting tourist sites. Be sure to try regional specialties when you visit different parts of Japan. Japanese dining etiquette and manners. Next, let's discuss etiquette and manners in Japanese dining culture. In Japan, people value not only the enjoyment of food but also proper manners, which are an essential part of understanding Japanese food culture on a deeper level. For example, there are many rules regarding how to use chopsticks. Sticking chopsticks into food or passing food from one pair of chopsticks to another is considered impolite. Additionally, the phrases itadakimasu and gochisusama are used at the beginning and end of a meal. These phrases express gratitude for the ingredients and the people who prepared the food, showing respect for the meal in a simple yet meaningful way. Knowing Japanese dining etiquette will deepen your appreciation and understanding of Japanese culture. Simple Japanese recipes you can enjoy abroad. Lastly, let me introduce simple Japanese recipes that you can enjoy even outside Japan. Japanese cuisine is gaining popularity worldwide, and nowadays, Japanese ingredients are more readily available abroad. Recommended dishes include onigiri rice balls, miso soup, and dashimaki tamago Japanese-style rolled omelette, which are easy to make at home. With onigiri, you can vary the fillings, and for miso soup, you can add your favorite ingredients to create a personalized flavor. These recipes are simple, yet they capture the essence of Japanese home-cooked meals. Learning basic Japanese seasonings will also make it easier to try other Japanese dishes. Even after your visit to Japan, incorporating these simple Japanese meals into your daily life can help you enjoy Japanese culture for a long time. This concludes the various ways to enjoy Japanese cuisine. By learning about regional dishes, dining etiquette, and easy Japanese recipes, you'll gain a deeper understanding of Japanese food culture. Japan has many more delicious dishes and a unique culinary culture, so when you next visit, please savor these delights to the fullest. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.